Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday already. Monday, September the 6th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And I have sad news today because there is no extra Sudokus in this puzzle, in this newspaper. Let me show you. No extra. Let me zoom this out. No extra puzzles. No extra Sudokus. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles, not of Saturday, because Saturday I've completed the whole additional, because on Sunday I have solved the rest of the puzzles of the additional of Saturday. So what they will do is the newspaper of Friday. Here I have the newspaper of Friday. The Friday I have solved the 3 stars and the tectonic one, but the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars are not solved, and the tectonic with 1 star are not solved. So I will do this later, but first we will solve this little baby, and this one will be number 3351. Yes, 3351. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, the 26 printed digits is a 2 stars, and for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see the puzzle. We have 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the, well, I can. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this row. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 here. So no 9 there. There 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 3, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Yeah. I cannot continue with the 8. I see. 8. Okay. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. And all the 3s are used. I can see this number 2, number 3. Yeah. 8. Yeah. 6. Let me see. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yes, correct, the 9. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. Still cannot fill this yet. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 and 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Yes, correct. The 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. You see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Fitness in 50 minutes. Correct? Between 15 and 20 minutes. That's my time limit to solve this medium Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlists for the tectonic, for the binary, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And yeah, we will meet again later on. Maybe in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.